niggas know, man. Yeah, ambassador, man. Machine Gun Blacc. Hey. Bucket tall like a monster truck. Tower eye when I'm caught in dairy. Bass drum my thoughts, I can hear them barely. Paint delicious like a jar of cherry. Say I trust her, but say I love her. Still I hustle to the game I'm married. Put a safe place if it's scary. 100 rifle scope mounted on it. Going deep for the Hail Mary. Got a little window jab a Perry. How many boats can a duffel carry? Got ass on her, jeans hold it barely. You can shade the pussy or leave her hairy. I'ma fight the cat back, Tom and Jerry. Best rapper, walk a pyramid. Sweet and magical, like a Perry. Spit it honest, we live it promise. Smell like chronic, walking out the Omni. Boss my money, sorta like my laundry. Touch the paper out throughout the country. Got peas compressed together, get blue to help me if the bill's too heavy. Put a little squirt spot, gave him salt, the rock stood in front of the pot, whipped the left. Think I last place left, y'all can catch me. Hoes a hop up first, giving me Becky. Giving you respect, you better respect me. Came with a friend to 40 my best to test me. Coming directly, never duck now. Young shooter with me, catch your body like a trust file. Claiming East Garden, but fuck y'all. Last nigga reading when the guns go just fire.
Send me automatic, making faggots feel the static, ain't no need for hesitation. Okay. Made me do it 1 to 7, fuck a nigga 211, nigga 47, shoot niggas like Haitians. Grew up with the drug dealers, hunger running thugs. Every nigga really ready, pop him, say it with the slugs. Motherfuckers, I was tryna act so gangster, you ain't so pussy ass internet. Get to being open in, pick out a switch and I'ma spank it. Ain't no need to hustle if you ain't come in a bank, bro. I run up in the house, get the cheese till I'm thank you. Run up in a gunfight with enough to shank it. Can't nobody hack it, your faggot. Look at the side from the semi automatic and the attic rest of plastic. You don't call it latex, but yeah, say, and I need to question, make them niggas make it fake.